everyone, welcome back to Designs by Arias, or welcome if you're new here. My name is Sham and today we are going to do an unboxing video. But before we start, please don't forget to like, subscribe, and tap the bell icon so that you will be notified on the next episode. But if you're ready, let's go. So this is the CraftPro mug and tumbler press by Heat Press Nation, and I'm very excited about this purchase because I've been admiring this specific brand for a while now, and it finally went on sale during the Black Friday sale at Heat Press Nation, and I got it for 50% off. It was such a great deal that it jumped right into my cart and ordered it the next day. I am very impressed with the packaging. The product and the different attachments are enclosed in a thick foam box. Here, and this is the inside. I am very excited with the color. I really love it. It's a very nice shade of pink. And the package came with a heat-resistant glove. I don't remember ordering this one, so I think it's a freebie. So thank you, Heat Press Nation. And then, of course, there's the user guide. There's also the satisfaction guarantee information, letter or information. And there's also information about the mug press or tumbler press. So it has a QR code, and this will give you access to the library of video tutorials, starter guide, and other resources. And they also provided information about sublimation printers. It's Sawgrass. So I'm going to take everything out and put it on the table, and we're going to check the heat press and also the attachment that came with it. Alright, so here you go. It looks so good and it feels good. Seems like it's a very sturdy, well-made machine. So this is the user guide, and I skimmed through it earlier, and it's very detailed. I like it. There's the welcome, getting started, what's included in the box, gauge operating guide, changing heating elements, mug pressing, tumbler pressing, sublimation supplies, which I really like that part, FAQ, and then the warranty. So what's included in the box? Alright, so of course the press, and then it's already attached, but this is the mug attachment, and we can do 11 to 16 ounce mugs. We can sublimate 11 to 16 ounce mugs. And then we also have the tumbler attachment. This one. And using this, you can do 16 ounce, 20 ounce, and 30 ounce tumbler. I'm not going to create any projects today. I want to read the user guide first and make sure that it's set up. But it seems like it's straightforward, so hopefully in the next few days I'll be able to do my first ever sublimation project, so stay tuned. And please join me as I navigate the sublimation world, and it's gonna be exciting that I already have a lot of sublimation projects in mind, especially with the holiday coming up. So stay tuned. And that's it for today. I hope that you enjoyed this episode. If you would like to see more videos just like this one, please be sure to give this a thumbs up and subscribe to our YouTube channel. If you have any questions, craft ideas, DIY projects, or organizational hacks that you would like me to try, please comment down below and I will see you on the next episode.